Implementing user sign-in with Firebase and Thunkable lets you add authentication so users can create accounts and log in securely. This is commonly used for apps that need profiles, save data, or personalized features. Start by opening your Thunkable project in the browser and selecting the screen where your login system will be built. Make sure you have basic input fields ready, such as an email field, a password field, and a button for signing in or signing up. Next, set up Firebase. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project. Inside the project, enable authentication and turn on email/password sign-in. This allows users to register and log in using their email credentials. You may also copy your Firebase configuration details if needed, depending on your Thunkable setup. Once Firebase is ready, go back to Thunkable. In the AI chat, you can describe what you want instead of manually wiring everything. For example, you can type "Create Firebase email sign-in" using email and password inputs. Thunkable will then generate the authentication logic for your app. If your version uses components, Thunkable will connect your input fields to Firebase authentication functions. When the user taps the sign-in button, the app will send the email and password to Firebase for verification. For sign-up, the logic is similar. The app sends the user's email and password to Firebase, which creates a new account. For sign-in, Firebase checks if the credentials match an existing account and then logs the user in. Once authentication is successful, you can control what happens next. For example, you can navigate the user to a home screen or dashboard. If login fails, you can show an error message like invalid email or password. You can also store the user's session so they stay logged in even after closing the app. Firebase handles this automatically in most cases, and Thunkable can use that state to decide which screen to show on app launch. If you're using AI chat, you can refine behavior easily. You might say, after successful login, navigate to home screen, or show error message if login fails, and the system will adjust the logic. Testing is important. Use preview mode or Thunkable Live and try signing up with a test email, then log out and sign back in. This ensures Firebase is correctly connected and authentication is working. And that's how you implement user sign-in with Firebase and Thunkable. You set up Firebase authentication, connect email and password inputs, send credentials through Thunkable, and control navigation based on login success or failure.